All right, a look at Shadow token here. So someone asked for this one a long time ago and I forgot about it, but it is on Coinbase from what I see. So I would suggest looking into it. Very low market cap at the moment. Now, I know the chart looks a little bit messy here, but we're going to get into it. So the very small fib here from the low to the high, if you want some really small prices to kind of watch, this thing is down below the larger 786 here, which we'll get into in just a moment. So as long as you're below 53, you're currently at 50, then it looks like you are dropping to 47, a 5% drop, and then potentially the 786 at 43.5 for a 14% drop. Any lower than that, then what market structure you do have in play here is going to break. And then at that point, any lower than that price, then you're just going to come right back down to the bottom here, which would be a drop of potentially 35% all the way back down here to 32.5 cents. So just keep that in mind. Now, going from the high here to the low, this is where the 236 comes into play at 63. So until you get over 63, there is no momentum up on this thing, and potentially even the macro 786 here at 53. So 53 and then 63 are your two prices to beat for now. And from where you are right now, you can see a move up about 5% and all the way up to 25% to get over those prices here. And then, of course, we just went over the support levels. But the fact that it's new, it's on Coinbase, it's easy to buy, at least for us here in the US, could be a good play here. Potential, gamble play, if you will. But go look into the project, of course. Now, we do potentially on the chart here, the really only thing I could draw was from that high to the low to get a new potential high. And that would take you up to about 550 at this 1272. And it would give you an $886 million market cap and about an 11x from today on your investment to make that new high to that price tag. Now, we'll get into some more, depending on how this video does here. We'll add some more market caps and more higher price targets here. But I would really like your thoughts. Comment down below. Where do you see this thing headed to this cycle? Are you bullish on it? And if we take that off the much larger fib, if of course going from the ultimate low to the ultimate high, and it is somewhat being respected, as you can see at these levels: support, resistance, support, and then all the way back down here over that 786 for just a moment, but ultimately you're below it. So on the macro scale for Shadow token here, you're below 53. That does put in play coming back down to the low here. So just keep that in mind. So we'll leave it at that for now on Shadow. Hopefully that helped. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.